right, we want to disconnect the battery, disconnect the negative cable using an 8mm ratchet wrench or a wrench. And slide that out of the way. Now on this coil there's a bracket in the way, so you can take these hoses, just slide them out of the way, the heater hoses. You can take this bracket off, just use a 10mm socket. Take that nut off, don't drop it. And slide that out of the way. You don't necessarily have to take it out of the way if you can gain access to it, but it makes it a little bit easier. Now you can disconnect the spark plug wire. Just slide that off. And there's 2 bolts, 1 bolt here and 1 bolt up top. Take that bolt off. Take that one off. And then slide this coil out. You can disconnect the connector right there and slide it off. Take the coil and line it up. Take the bolts, get the bolts started. Just snug these up. Now I can take a torque wrench and torque those bolts to 71 inch-pounds. Make sure you're on inch-pounds, not foot-pounds. That's good. And I can hook up the plug wire, make sure it clicks in place, and hook up the connector. Now for this one, we can put the bracket on, just line it up, put that nut on, and tighten this up and snug it up. We're going to take the heater hoses, put them back in the bracket, and for the other coils it'll be the same procedure. Now we can hook up the battery, just line it up, get it started, and snug it up. Make sure it's not loose. That's good.